Happy New Year. Welcome everybody to 2025. We are starting off with Earn by Time today, and first order of the year is going to be a Starbucks going 4 miles. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned it, but current rate is $17 an hour. Hello. Thank you. You too. Oh, it says 1 out of 2. Is it just?
I know, the other one is inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, first order of the year. Start me off right. Total for that was $10. Okay, I like that. Thank you. And we got the next order right away. This is a McDonald's going 5.5 miles.
Hello. Hey, welcome to McDonald's. I'm all up today.
Thank you. Let me know if you guys gave yourselves any New Year's resolutions. As cliche as it is, mine is to work out more, at least twice a week. Not much, but it's doable. I think that's the most important part. Of course, it's upstairs. Total for that one was $5 and change. Yikes. Next up, we've got a Subway going 6.5 miles, only one item. Thank you. Total for that order was $9. Not the greatest. It was still high mileage, but could have been a lot worse, I guess. Next up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one's going 6 miles. Morning. Good.
Have a good day.
Total for that one was $7. Not completely impressed, but I'll take it. Next order up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one's going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Total for that was $11. Nice. We've got a Black Rock coffee. This one's $7 going 2 miles.
Dylan, this one right here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. I got these two orders as I was pulling in. They are both shop and delivers for Safeway. First one was $10 going 4 miles, 2 items. And this other one was an add-on that I got like 20 seconds after that. I think it said $12 going 4 miles, 5 items. I have a few more, but I don't know if the other ones are unlocked or not. Can I just scan that? The White Claws, I'm assuming are not locked, right? They're in the... Okay. Excuse me. I don't know if you're the person to ask, but I need one more of these single White Claws. I don't know if you know if there's any more or not.
There isn't.
No.
What we've got is what we've got.
Okay, gotcha.
Sorry. It says insufficient funds.
Can we do the other one first? If you want to handle his order.
Absolutely.
Can I just set this aside?
Yeah, I'll put this thing.
Thank you.
Is that hard getting a hold of DoorDash and stuff?
No, it's just that they're not useful.
Ah.
Yeah. So I think it's just gonna be that one that did go through.
Okay.
Did I get my ID
Yes,
back?
I gave you the receipt.
Okay. So one order did not go through at all because of app issues. not getting paid for that one. And the other one is missing one item, so probably not getting full pay. Awesome. Sorry about the wait. There's
Oh no, you're fine.
so many issues.
It was having like weird glitches. My phone was, so I was like, oh my gosh, is it even going through?
I had so
wasn't
many
even
issues
sure.
with the app. So
Okay.
yeah, it was like
Okay,
all
no,
that.
you're totally fine. I
Yeah.
wasn't like mad or anything.
No, you're
was
good.
Like,
I just
wait, what's happening?
So that went from a really good stack to a horrible waste of time. Love that for me. Just got the next order. This is a Burgerville going 3.5 miles.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
You have a great day.
You as well.
The top recommended is going to be a Falcon Pro G5 Touring All Season. That one's going to come with a 65,000 mile warranty.
No tip on that one. Yikes. Total ended up being $5. Next order up, we've got a Gravity Coffee going 5.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $9. I'm gonna be honest, I almost fell asleep right there. Been forever since we got an order, but we finally got one just now actually. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol, $9 going 5 miles, 2 items. And then just a scribble in there for me. Got this next order right away. It is a Starbucks, $8 going 3 miles.
Hi, welcome in.
Kayla, you said?
Kayla? Yeah, thank you. I don't know about y'all, but I am soaked and I'm ready to go home, take a nice hot shower and relax. Current time is 10:20. Total, we are at 93. Yeah, that one canceled shopping order kind of screwed us, mainly because it took so much time. If it was a quick unassigned, it wouldn't affect that much, but it is what it is. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.